the other silent letter in the Hebrew alphabet?
Yes.
Of course, the first silent letter is the Aleph,
Aleph.
but the Ayin, right, the Ayin also is a silent letter, so we only concern ourselves with the pronunciation of the vowel around it.
Yes.
Would you like to help us with the pronunciation of the Ayin, Joseph?
Yes. A. O.
Very good.
A.
We're on the U.
Oh, yes. U.
Well done.
A.
Yes.
E.
Very nice. Very nice. Ken, if you'd like to open your audio, let me ask you a question. Ken, do you understand the combination of a silent letter and its vowel? Is that clear to you, sir? Brian, if you want to respond also, do you see where we're going with these combinations of consonants with their vowels? You can turn on your audio to respond.
Yeah, some, but I'm trying to figure it out because this may first day.
Okay. It should become clear as we progress, and certainly after a few classes, you'll get a feel for it. So don't be discouraged. It will come very naturally. Joseph, we can continue now with the drill on our new letter Ayin. This will be a little bit different than you may be used to because the Ayin occurs both at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of words. But the vowel always the vowel sometimes occurs before the Ayin and sometimes the Ayin is silent. So I know that you're ready to take on some of these pronunciations. The first use of the Ayin is keta. Can you say keta?
Keta.
Well done. Would you like to try this one without any help?
Yes. Deya.
Well done. Excellent. The next one, please.
8.
Well done. The next one.
8.
Excellent. Continue kindly.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a
Deya.
longer word too. Wonderful. Very good. And lastly, or not lastly, but the next one.
Okay. Add. 8.
Yeah.
8.
Odd.
Add.
Very good. Continue.
Odd.
Yes. Next.
Oved.
Excellent. Continue. This is a tricky one. It's functioning as a vav in the middle, not as a vowel. The dot means something else in this case, but consider it as a vav. And the chirik is under the ayin. E.
Okay.
Oh, you don't know the last letter is the R sound,
It
the
is
resh.
the
R.
resh.
Yeah.
It is a veir.
Iver.
Iver.
Excellent. The next one is, and again, you would pronounce the yud like a consonant ya. So E.
The last, is it Zayin or?
The last is the final nun. The middle is a yud. Ayin, yud, final nun.
Ayin.
Are these
Ayin.
words?
Ayin.
I'm Ayin.
In. Oh, the I. In.
Right.
In.
Maria, did you have a question?
Yeah.
The audio is breaking up for some reason. It may be that, Maria, I don't have your audio now. No worries. You want to, your audio is breaking up, Maria. Well, there's a little technical problem on their end. Let's continue for now. Nice work, Joseph. That's amazing. That's the most Hebrew reading you've done so far.
Thank you.
Every day we do some basic exercises and some more advanced exercises. One of the basic exercises we do every day is to name the letters we have learned so far. And Joseph will lead us in that recitation. We've gone as far as the Ayin now, so we can recite the letters through Ayin. And Joseph, if you'll start with line 2, let's see how you do with your letter recognition today.
Okay. Ayin. Samek.
Good.
Vav.
That's the
Final
that's the
nun.
final. Well done.
Nun.
Yes.
Final mem. Not final mem. Mem.
No, you were. Yes, that's the final mem. Yes, that's the final mem. Then mem, correct, and finally.
Lamud. Lamed.
Well done. I'll take a turn. Samech, final nun. Ayin, final mem. The final mem and the samech are quite similar. How would you differentiate between the final mem and the samech, Joseph?
Samek have a smooth edge at the bottom, while the mem has a pointed edge at the bottom.
Right.
Yes.
Then the ayin, then the final chaf, and the tet. Let's take a try at line 4. Let me bring that within view. Oh, I went too far. Line 4, Joseph, if you would.
Ayin, Samek,
Good.
Lamed, final half,
Well done.
Samek,
Mm-hmm.
Ayin,
Good.
Gimel.
Well done. I think somebody might be trying to join us. Let me. Habari Gabriel, thank you. Karibu.
Asante.
Welcome back.
Habari. Thank you, Joseph.
We have missed you.
I have missed you too.
By the way, Gabriel did some excellent work earlier today and is all warmed up and ready to recite. I don't know if he was aware that I was going to call on him to recite, but I have a special exercise sheet all prepared for you, brother, and I think you're going to be great. Since we got all the way through Daled, I believe you can name the letters all the way through Daled. And if you're able to see the worksheet, and I have the highlighter on line 2, are you able to see that, Gabriel?
Yes.
If you would kindly give us the names of the letters in line 2.
What is it? The first one is Arif.
Good.
The second one is Bet.
Excellent.
The other one is it with the Vet.
Very good.
Gmail.
Excellent.
Dalet.
There you go.
Arif.
One more line, please. You're doing great, buddy.
Dalet.
Yes.
Bet.
Right.
Gmail.
Nice.
Arif.
Well done.
Vet.
Nice.
Dalet.
Excellent work. Well done. Joseph is, as you can see, Gabriel is biting at your feet.
Yes.
So be prepared. There's another Hebrew reader close behind.
Yes.
So I'm very proud of you guys. It's very exciting to see this progress. And Brian, you should be encouraged that it will take you no time to get caught up with the letters. I'm looking forward to your recitation as well. The next portion of our lesson will be a pronunciation with the various vowels. And Joseph, by your request, I found a new worksheet, which I think you're going to enjoy, and I think you'll also find very challenging. It is introducing now some of the other vowels that we have not been practicing as much. For example, the shuruk, the chirik in a long form, and the kubutz, and the cholam in a long form. So I'm going to ask you to try line 2 in the current worksheet, Joseph, if you'd be so kind. And Gabriel, if you could mute your audio, it would be very helpful. Very good. Continue. Yes.
Ma.
Ah.
The second one, ma again.
Oh, right.
May.
Good.
May again.
Well, we say me. May, me.
Okay, yes. Me.
Good.
Mo.
Well done.
Me.
Yes.
Mu with the kubutz.
Very good.
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Mu with the
a shuruk.
yes.
Yes. Let us try to keep you challenged, brother. Let us try line 6.
Ma.
Good.
Me.
Good.
Ma.
Yes.
Mate.
Perfect. Well done. Lide.
Lide. Lide.
Yes. L'idée. And the next one,
L'idée.
yes,
Oh, the next one.
yeah.
D'idée.
It's actually a vav at the beginning, a V may.
Okay. Oh, V. We may.
Right. Very good. Excellent work. Excellent work.